Howdy, howdy. Got a little maintenance issue going on today. It is sprinkling a little bit, but the water might help. We're going to do a little cleaning on our mower because it's getting to the point where it's getting really filthy, and if anybody's known me for quite a while or know who I am or how I am, I don't like filthy. And it's bugging me, so I'm going to get it out, clean it up, get it ready to mow next week. But the deck is filthy, filthy, filthy. I'm actually going to take the deck completely off and hose it down and wash it and leave it out overnight to dry. But the deck is coming off. The deck will come off. So let's go get it cleaned up. Alright. Anywho, let's drop the deck down. Go down to 1. All the way down. And I heard easiest way to, well, you know what, should I pull these off? I should probably pull these off, huh? I'm gonna go get a 10mm wrench and I'll be right back. I would imagine it's pretty dirty under there. I do try to blow it out with air every time I mow it. Oh, that's cleaner than I thought it would be. Huh. Not too shabby. I'll get the other side off and we'll see if we can't drop the deck. That one's a little bit more dirty. Alright, to drop this deck, I heard, drop the deck, I heard the best way to do that is to pull this somehow. There we go. I should probably get a wrench on that, huh? Might be easier. A tight spring. We'll give it that. And just pull that off of here. Nope. Where are we going to pull it off of? There we go. There we go. And we can drop it. Come around here. Now we can take it off of here. Just like that. And we pull this pin here. We pull this pin here. And we pull this pin here. This one's a smaller pin. Looks like. I'm gonna have to go get me a needle nose. I think I'm gonna have to get me a needle nose. Nope. We got that. Watch your fingers. I'm going to put these back in so I doesn't lose them. I saw somebody actually push those up and they stayed up, but mine aren't doing that for some reason. Now, we'll figure it out. Come over here and get this one. Maybe. Hammer time. It's on an angle. The handle underneath the other side. Oh, you know what? I forgot to do this. That's how it works. There we go. There we go. All right, deck is out. Ready to wash. Got a little grass here. I thought I had it all out of there, but obviously I didn't. You know what this guy's got to do? I gotta go up and empty my shorts out. So if I don't do it now, I'll have a mess later. So I'll be back. All right, that job's done. I'm gonna tip this thing over and show you what the underside looks like real quick. Oh, not too bad at all. Huh. I thought it was going to be a lot worse than that. It sounds like my phone's ringing, so I'll be right back. Alright, we got this old thing. We're going to get a new one of these pretty soon. This thing works, but we're going to get a new one. Now I'm going to soap this sucker up, let it soak for a little bit, and go get Darcy her meds. And I'll come back and wash it off and get underneath the deck and everything. I'll be back.
Pulled out the mower because it's my turn. That summer sun in the sky is gonna burn. My headband is on, no sweat yet on my brow. The neighbors know it's my turn to mow now. Blades are sharp, gas is full, music floods my ears. I'm feeling miserable. The yard is flooded from all the rain. Plowing through puddles, I try to refrain. I'll be mowing again, firing up that old V-twin. I'll be mowing again till the yard looks like it's been worked. Might be hot and I'm blowing snot when the engine starts to roll. Oh no, I'll be mowing again. My shirt's all soaked and I'm upset. That wet, fresh cut grass smell in the air. I watch barn swallows die for their main course while I ride that old mower with remorse. Why am I here? Every pass I take is rough. The ground is bumps at every turn. It feels like my back is broke from a job that's done again. This lawn and me, we just don't get along. Are we wrong?
Alright, that, my friends, is how we wash my mower. I did do it maybe once or twice a year. Once at the end of the season when I'm done mowing, and once in the middle somewhere. It happens to be about 3/4 of the way through the season right now. It needed new blades anyway. This is the second time I've changed them this season, which it needed it. But we're gonna go park this thing underneath the porch here. You see that dry spot right there? That's where it's gonna go for the night. Let it dry out, and I'm not gonna put it in the garage because when it's wet and drips in the garage, it smells like wet grass in there for a while, and I don't like that smell. But we're gonna take these blades out to the garage and get them sharpened up probably tomorrow, and get ready for another mowing. I gotta mow on Monday or Tuesday whenever I get time, but it's starting to sprinkle right now, so that's why this thing's going underneath the patio to dry out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It was fun. I always like washing this thing because it's not big. It's easy to do. It's a lot easier to do this than it is to detail the vet, that's for sure. Alright, we got her moved under the deck. It's supposed to rain tonight, so I'm going to keep it dry, hopefully let it drip dry overnight. If anybody knows where I live, the keys are in it. So we'll, you know what, we better take care of that right now. We might want to take care of that right now. Yep. I can't afford another new mower. But I know where there's a one just like it that my father-in-law's got that he's not going to want anymore, in case that one disappears. But we're going to keep this here, and we're going to go inside, get dried off, get cleaned up. It's probably a football game on tonight since it's Thursday. College game, that is. I don't know who's on or what's on, but if it's a college game, I'll probably be watching it. I'll be back with another video hopefully soon, but we'll see. I was going to sign off for this video now and be done with it. And as always, stay safe, stay grape. God bless.